Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add email on WhatsApp, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is first of all access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Make sure it's updated and you're logged in with your account as well. Now right afterwards, go ahead, tap on this three dot icon on top right, tap on settings option. Now right over here, tap on this option of account, and then you will find this option of email address below the passkeys. Go ahead, tap on it, tap on add email. Now go ahead, enter the email that you would like to add, aka connect your account with. Once you're done with that, all you gotta do is tap on next. You will get the verification code to verify it is you. Once you have provided the information, you will be able to successfully add email to your WhatsApp like was over there. You can do that to other accounts of yours as well, and you can add any email. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.